Ako po si Martin, DTF operator ng TIT 999. Nagamit ito ng 5 araw na may bilang na 116 meters. Ito naman po yung aming printer head area. Ang huling palit po ng color dot white noong November 29 last year. Ito naman po yung aming cupping na may 90% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ito po. Okay naman po sila lahat. Ang ink system po namin tama pa ang level. Ito po yung aming waste stock na nililinis po ito every Saturday. Ito naman po yung aming ABR. Ito naman po yung aming stocks. Stock rin po ng unused ink tsaka green solution po. DTF powder at DTF pin. Ito naman po yung weekly physical inventory report, updated. Consumables withdrawal, updated din po. Daily output record at DTF monthly checklist. Yun lang, maraming salamat po.